in the afternoon. The days are ending real soon in the summer. I lost my heart and I found a home. We're far apart but we're never alone in the summer. Dear Louise, I'm unseen. Dear Louise, apple trees. Dear Louise, and Estelle, just as well. Being a home to every degree in a white house overlooking the sea in the summer. Playing the songs on the radio, we're guessing fast from the patio here in the